Okay, so let's take a look at how you can configure site information in Drupal. So if you have Drupal installed, we will take a look at its backend and find out how you can edit or configure site information. Okay, so in my case, I have installed Drupal through cPanel software installer. You can do the same, and once you move to your Drupal site, check for login button. Okay, now here I'm going to add my username and also password and log into Drupal. Okay, now here you can notice that you have your menu here, out of which we have to find option for configuration. So here you can see in secondary menu, here you can see configuration button. Click on that. Now here in configuration, you have multiple options from people, content authoring, search metadata, web services, regional and language, media, user interface, and finally system. Okay, now here at the top you will find that it has one of the warning: one or more problems were detected with your Drupal installation. Check the status report for more information. So we already covered this part, and now we want to check for basic site settings. So click on this site settings link, should take you to this page, okay, which you can access through this administration, configuration and system section. Okay, now here you can see the list of options you have for editing. So you have your site name, slogan, email address, then front page, default front page that you can use, or if you change the home page, you can simply use that route here, as well as error pages, which is 403, which is access denied page. If something is in, say, user section, it will be in 403, won't be accessible to web. Also there is 404, not found page. You can customize both these pages and save that. So let's change default Drupal name to say help folder, and let's save configuration. Okay, now here at the top you can see configuration options have been saved. Okay, so I only edited the site name here, but if you want you can go ahead and edit the other parameters as well. Now to check the change settings, you can go back to site. Okay, now here you can see the name is changed from Drupal to help folder. So you get the idea how to use basic site settings and change your site informations, and you can access that from configuration. Then you go to administration and basic site settings. That should be one way to change site name.